I'm T's Cottage Guy, and welcome to episode 1 of Operation MGR, restoring MGR Wagon HDA 368459. In this episode, we will show you the wagon, meet the team and start the work. In our team there is me, James E, James W, Luke, Ben and Ryan. We are the Locomotion Museum youth volunteers, and helping us with the restoration will be the museum's workshop team and some members of the Friends of the National Railway Museum who own the wagon. First, here's some background information on this particular MGR wagon. For anyone who doesn't know, MGR stands for merry-go-round. A MGR is a block train of HDA wagons which both loads and unloads cargo while moving. This particular wagon is one of 11,000 made. Of that 11,000, only 20 survive into preservation. 368459 was the last off the Shildon production line, and the other example currently in the Shildon Museum is the prototype with the number 350000. This current HTA is thought to cover over 960,000 miles with DB cargo. And before anyone suggests in the comments, no, it is not called Barry. Even though it has Barry on the side, it is not called Barry. Although I think that would be a good name. Barry the HDA. It's got a nice ring to it. The Friends of the National Railway Museum bought the MGR in 2010 from a scrapyard in South Wales through an auction and moved the MGR to Locomotion in 2011. The restoration will take place on Road 2 on the museum's apron. The last time a form of restoration was carried out on the wagon was in 2016 when it was shot blasted and moved to under the bridge to the east of the museum. The brief is to restore it to good mechanical and physical condition. We aren't going to make it look factory fresh like the current MGR on display in Locomotion. We want it to look like it's done hard graft. It will retain any dents or holes it gained through daily work. Any large dents will be kept in place. Smaller dents will be photographed, measured, removed to strengthen metal and replicated. Other smaller jobs to be done will include changing the bolts on the maker's plate from M12 to M14. Today is Tuesday the 26th of July 2022 and work starts today on the MGR wagon. The brief was to remove rust and old paint from the side supports of the wagon's hopper. We arrived at the museum at 1:30 and began work at 2, before having a break at around 3 and finishing at 3:30. We used metal brushes and scrapers to remove old rust and paint. We didn't remove any signs, writing or graffiti that was on the wagon, as we believe it's an important part to its history and telling its story as a coal transporter. We are all very passionate to get this work done and get this wagon in good enough condition so it can be displayed in our new building, which will be completed in 2023. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for weekly videos about the wagon's restoration. Please subscribe for updates, and from me and the rest of the young volunteers, thank you.